A long-awaited bar and covered pavilion area have been completed here at the Virginia Credit Union Stadium, and on this week's edition we'll tell you about them. Today we're at the Virginia Credit Union Stadium, and I'm here with Mr. Robbie Perry, who is the Vice President of Creative Services for the Fredericksburg Nationals. And we're standing here at the finally here new bar at the stadium, and this is just one of the new amenities the FredNats are offering this season. So first of all, Robbie, thanks for joining us.
Absolutely. Thanks for having me. Thanks. Yeah, we're out here. If you've been to games, you're pretty familiar with the left field bar. The coming soon in 21, coming soon in 2022. That was never opened. It became a long-withstanding joke of, is the bar ever going to be open? We were a little risky. We did an April Fool's joke that's saying, well, due to plumbing issues, the bar is going to be closed. People were not happy. Thankfully, it was just an April Fool's joke. We are open. We have been open. The bar out here in left field is the best place if you want to catch a home run. It's also like there's tables and chairs everywhere out here that is standing room only, that you don't need a special seat or a ticket to come out here. You can buy a standing room only ticket, come out here, check out the new Michelob Ultra bar out here in left field.
And this is just one of several new amenities.
Yes, so this is out in left field. You can't miss it. I encourage, if you guys like beer or cocktails, we have different kinds of cocktails, to come out here, check out the left field bar. We got non-alcoholic drinks. It's also one of the best places to catch a home run ball. But we also have out in right field a new group area called the FH for Picnic Garden. So we're going to have a bunch of string lights in there to give a cool ambiance. We're going to hang out vines in the area. We honestly want you to go in there and feel like it's its own exclusive area that's unlike anything out in the ballpark. So we wanted to give it a nice beer garden feel. You go downtown Fredericksburg to have that. So we see how popular they are. So we want to bring a little bit of that to the ballpark.
There's many other group areas as well, and the pavilions and the suite areas. So it's a great place for a family to come. It's a great place for a group to come.
It's another added element that we've not been able to do are our field seat suites down out in left field on the field level. And actually new this year, you're able to do batting cage if you rent out the area. So during the game, you're actually going to go out there and hit some batting practice in the batting cages in a way of visiting teams use. So you actually be able to use the same batting cages.
And it seems the team, every year, the goal is to add something new between seasons. Is that right?
We're still trying to build a ballpark. Obviously, we were supposed to open in 2020. That got canceled in 21 due to COVID. But that added a lot of opportunities in our minds of, okay, taking a step back and being like, what are the elements fans will like? What do you think our fans will need? So yeah, it's a long-term plan, but yeah, we're always trying to, better the ballpark, add elements, listen to our fans now. We have all these different surveys that go out. So we're getting this great feedback from our fans of items they would like to see. Some might not be on the immediate docket. Some are going to be next year, but yeah, I mean, our fans have been incredible, and they, for better or worse, they definitely will let us know what they like and what they don't like.
And you got all sorts of cool promotional things coming up this year as well. So how can people find out about the full schedule of promotional activities?
So our full promotional calendar is on our website. It's also, if you follow us on social media, please follow us on Facebook. We're constantly getting information out on that as well. But the easiest way to find everything in one spot is to go to our website. That is our full promotional calendar. Coming up, we have Wizard Nights in May. We also have Mustache May, auctioning off jerseys, where we're going to be raising funds all for mental health.
Well, it sounds like it's going to be a great season with great new amenities and promotional items, and so we're looking forward to a great season ahead.
Yeah, we are too. We can't wait.
Yeah. All right. Well, thanks, Robbie. Thanks for joining
Bill.
us.
Thanks for having me.
All right, so be sure to come out to the Virginia Credit Union Stadium to check out the new bar, new pavilion, and all the great activities, food and drink, and baseball. That'll do it for this week's edition. We'll see you next week.
Go FredNats.